Hi there, my name is Dennis, and today we are gonna be unpacking the scooter Kaabo Mantis 10. Powerful 1000 watts dual motor, high battery system, max speed 60 km per hour, max range 90 km, battery 60 watts, 24.5 amperes. There are overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, break-in protection, short-circuit protection, pre-discharge, voltage balance, temperature protection, malfunction alarm, power device fault protection. Adapted sine wave controller plus vector motor control system, stronger climbing power, faster speed and better stability, power output up to 800 watts including front and rear wheels. So guys, now let's open the box and see what's inside, shall we? The box contains a charger, owner's manual, assembly tool, logo, trunk. First, let's rotate the steering tube. Then put the steering tube in the right position and tighten the clamps on the right side. In order to place the handlebar, we need to untighten the screws. Then place the handlebars in the right position. Then tighten up the screws thoroughly. In order to start the engine, you need to press power button and hold it for around 3 seconds. Here you got the acceleration, different modes, brakes, and finally the lights. So guys, as you can see, our beautiful scooter Kaabo Mantis 10 is ready, and I'm wishing you a pleasant ride. Take care, see ya!